We got a little thing of Tannerite. It's 1 pound right there up on against that tree. Little SBR 11.5 inch. And I'm recording this with my iPhone, so I'm having to, rig this whole thing. I don't know how this is gonna really work too well, or if it's even capturing everything in sight there. Yeah, it's capturing pretty good. I'm gonna drop my shit on the ground. It should be good right there. Let me tilt it forwards. Let me get this a little bit more tilt. I had it good, I should have left it. Alright, that should be good right there. Okay, put my earplugs in. It should be ready to go. It should be ready to go. I got my earplugs in. One shot, one hit. Now let's go check the damage out. Look at all that smoke. Let's go see what just happened here. Ooh. Let me show you something here, okay? So this is where it was at, and look at all the bark. It's just blown off there, just like that. Thing got mutilated there, as you can see. Yeah, pretty good. You see him right there. Look at that. There's little pieces of orange debris everywhere. Yep.